Hey dear! We are going to show you Best 5 Robot Vacuum Cleaner 2020 Robot Vacuuming, Robotics Vacuum we've created. This list is based on my personal opinion based on our research and the value of sustainability, and further, we include options for each type of consumer. So if you are looking for the best product money, want to buy a good product, of course, you will find the link in the description below to see more information and updated prices on the products mentioned. So let's start with Best 5 Robot Vacuum Cleaner 2020 Robot Vacuuming, Robotics Vacuum. Number 5 Brand Name, Chujin. Features: 1. Super strong suction, 800 Pa strong suction, so the all kinds of hair, dust, stains and particles can be removed and cleaned thoroughly and efficiently. 2. Automatically move, intelligent automatic moving, will automatically change direction when meet walls and obstacles. 3. Suitable for cleaning floors, corners, the places underneath furniture, sofas and other areas that are hard to reach, creating a clean and comfortable home. 4. Easy operating, only pressing a button, it will sweep. 5. Equip the round fur brush and absorbent rag, enhance the efficiency of cleaning, the rate of clearing away the dust can be up to 95%. Automatic Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner Mopping Sweeping Suction Cordless Auto Dust Sweeper Machine Anti-Collision for Home Cleaning. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 4 Brand Name, Alouette. Features: strongly clean all kinds of hair and particles, and sweep them near the vacuum cleaner. USB charging mode, built-in large capacity battery, can be reused after full charge, long service life. It cleans hair, dust and dirt from sofas or hard to reach areas. 6.8 cm slim, easy to cross furniture, bed bottom, clean and more comfortable. Material: plastic. Color: white black. Plug type: USB. Intelligent Robot Vacuum Cleaner USB Charging Household Wireless Sweeping Robot Dust Hair Cleaning Vacuum Cleaner. Number 3 Brand Name, LIECTROUX. Descriptions: 1. Smart memory, extremely low cleaning missing rate and high coverage rate. 2. Intelligent to sense different environment floors and adjust its direction within 10 milliseconds. 3. Apply to different floors, low hard carpet within height of 1 cm, hardwood, ceramic tiles for home, hotel room and office. 4. Twining-proof design of central roller prevents being entangled by wires. 5. Anti-fall system to detect stairs to avoid falling. 6. One-time cleaning lasts 100 minutes to finish a house within size 170 to 220 square meters. Robot Vacuum Cleaner, map navigation with memory, Wi-Fi app control, 3000 Pa suction power, smart electric water tank. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 2 Brand Name, ProScenic. Description: 1. In order for the package to arrive quickly, please provide us with the detailed address and the correct recipient name. 2. Buyers from EU countries do not need to pay any taxes. 3. The postal codes follow. We do not support in Spain, Balearic Islands, 07000 to 07999, Canary Island, 35,000 to 35,999, 38,000 to 38,999, MIJIA, 52,000 to 52,009. If you have friends from other cities, you can provide the address. 4. For packages shipped from China, buyers need to bear the risk of taxes and fees. We will write 80 used on the package. 5. Korean buyer need provide us with the recipient's tax SID. 6. Due to the infrared sensor inside the cleaning robot, it will not work properly when it encounters black floor or dark furniture. Robot Vacuum Cleaner with Wet Cleaning Gyroscope Washing Vacuum Cleaner Home Carpet Cleaner Auto Charge. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 1 Brand Name, YUUL. Feature: intelligent planning path, memory family layout, cleaning every corner. Carpet pressurization technology, can climb 15 carpet. Wi-Fi connect mobile phone, support smart speaker relax control, automatic cleaning for home and office, automatic charging. V-shaped floating roller brush. It adheres tightly to the floor surface, maintains good suction even if it is not very flat, and strikes strongly to collect dirt. 1800 Pa large suction, brushless motor, the noise is less than 55 dB. 600 ml large dust box, double filter system, effective filter dust, mites, and more clean air. Robot vacuum cleaner smart plant 1800 pascals suction with wet cleaning for home. Carpet cleaner washing smart robot. For more information, product link in the description box. Thank you for watching this video.